Hello friend, welcome to Takes Force YouTube channel. This video discuss about by 3 scenic but underrated Iceland alternatives to Hawaii. So let's start my video. Summary: American Samoa, a remote and underrated tropical island destination with a small population and a lack of tourists. Tahiti, a luxurious and romantic alternative to Hawaii, known for its stunning landscape and high-end resorts. Azores, a subtropical volcanic island archipelago in the Atlantic, offering a unique Portuguese culture and outdoor activities like hiking and whale watching. Hawaii is one of the top tropical island destinations for Americans. Hawaii has no shortage of reasons why everyone should be visiting, but there are also reasons not be visited, including expenses and over tourism. Fortunately, there are alternatives to Hawaii for beachgoers who want something tropical yet less crowded. There are 3 scenic and often underrated tropical island alternatives to Hawaii. American Samoa, America's last undiscovered territory. American Samoa is a territory of the US and yet has almost no visitors. Hawaii is a fully flagged state of the United States and the only state not connected to the North American mainland, but there are plenty of their island dependencies to explore. The United States has several tourists, most famously Puerto Rico and the US Virgin Islands, while Hawaii is famous with American holidays maker. American Samoa almost completely falls off the radar. American Samoa is made up of tropical and forested island. Everything and everyone called dream of for a tropical island getaway. Population 4,500, 40,000, 50,000. Capital Pago Pago. Status Unincorporated Territory of the United States. American Samoa is the only part of the United States found south of the equator and is neighbor to the much larger independent country of Samoa. Samoa was partitioned by the colonial powers in the late 19th century. Note: American Samoa hosts the remotest American national park. Only a few tens of thousands of people bother to visit American Samoa in any given year. It is very far from the continental United States and difficult to reach, but those who do go there find a virgin land almost devoid of tourists. There are no large franchised resorts and only a nascent tourism industry. Many visitors choose to stay with a homestay and delve into the local culture of the far-flung hills, getting their direct flights for Honolulu. Well, American Samoa is a territory of the United States. Everyone, including Americans, must travel there with a valid passport and an onward ticket. The islands are visa free, but passport are required. 3 international airlines are surviving the island: Hawaiian Airlines, Samoa Airways, and Talofa Airways, and they link the islands to Hawaii. Samoa and Tonga flights are weekly to Hawaii. Tahiti, the most romantic island destination of the Pacific. Tahai and Bora Bora just may be the most romantic Pacific alternative to Hawaii. French Polynesia and especially its popular island of Tahiti and Bora Bora are world famous for being a luxurious and romantic destination. It is particularly popular for honeymooners. However, travelers looking for a cheaper tropical island destination should probably keep on looking. Bora Bora, specifically, is famous for its luxurious and expensive hotels. Tip: French Polynesia has plenty of underrated and overlooked islands to explore. French Polynesia is made up to some 121 islands and atolls spread over a vast region in the South Pacific. The population of the French territory, technically an overseas country of France, is around 280,000, most of whom live on the main island to Tahiti. Population 280,000 total. Largest city Patiti. Status: Department of France. Tahiti has volcanic mountains, tropical forests, coral reefs, pristine beaches, and around two-thirds of the population. It hosts the Fa International Airport, the gateway to French Polynesia. Getting there, direct flights from Honolulu, San Francisco, and Los Angeles. Besides Tahiti, one of the French Polynesia most famous island destinations is Bora Bora. It is located around 125 nautical miles from Tahiti, and it an extinct volcanic island surrounded by a lagoon and a barrier reef. The peak rises to 2,385 feet above the sea, and the island is internationally acclaimed for its seaside luxury resorts. Azores, the perfect Atlantic Ocean alternative to Hawaii. Take a direct flight from NYC to the Azores, one of the most dramatic alternatives to Hawaii in the Atlantic. The Azores are an overlooked subtropical volcanic island archipelago in the North Atlantic, one on the way to Europe. The Azores constitute an autonomous region of Portugal and comprise nine dynamic volcanic islands. They are located around 930 miles from Portugal and 1,200 miles from Canada, and are regarded by the Portuguese as one of their best kept secrets. They are even best the highest point in Portugal, Mount Pico, at 7,713 feet. Population 2,036. Largest city Ponta Delgada. Status: Autonomous region of Portugal. The Azores are timeless and laid back. Here it is less about the beaches and more about the unique local Portuguese culture, hiking the islands while watching some of the best in the world, and the local cousin. And an added benefit, the Azores are likely to be cheaper than Hawaii. Getting there, direct flights from Newark and JFK. The international airport servicing the islands in Ponta Delgada, Jago Polo, two airport, and will most of the flights are to Europe. There are direct flights to New York. To the Azores are one of the best island alternatives to Hawaii for those living on the east coast of the US. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।